math is boring and complicated, the truth is that life devoid of math means that we go around experiencing the world on a much less interesting level than we could. Hello everyone, my name is Camila Simbahan and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the importance of mathematics. Math is a universal language because it is the only language that is shared by all civilizations regardless of culture, religion, or gender. In every culture, we use the principles of mathematics to help us with everyday life from business to politics. And these principles never change no matter what part of the world you are in. The universality of math is true of many things that makes such a powerful tool and indeed essential life skill. The laws of math are evident throughout the world, including the nature and the problem-solving skills help us tackle problems on the other side of life. Mathematics makes our life orderly and prevents chaos. Certain qualities that are nurtured in mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, abstract thinking, problem-solving ability, and even effective communication skills. Math is incredibly important in our lives. Without realizing it, we use mathematical concepts as well as the skills we learn from doing math problems every day. Learning and appreciating mathematics can help you appreciate things that you would not otherwise notice about the world. In reality, math is everywhere. And math is an art that will only be appreciated by those who see the beauty in it. Mathematics has wide application. Engineering, physics, chemistry, and most of other sciences. Major discoveries and inventors, information technology and communication, accountants and economists, and businessmen uses mathematics every day. The readers predicted by using powerful mathematical model. And your favorite computer games inside of it has a lot of mathematical equations that work on of how everything moves here and behave in your games. And there's also mathematics in art and music. Mathematics is an adventure. There's always new things to discover and that will never fail to amaze us how neatly and beautifully it all fits together and see the connections. I know that's not easy, but have you ever heard about any adventure which has no challenges? Mathematics is a tonic to our brain. It'll help us to learn new things, mastering new methods, solving new puzzles. So enjoy it and have fun.